Welcome back to Spinning the Past. The flax has been drying out. I just put it in this wheelbarrow, keep it off the ground, try to get some air circulation around it. And you can see the ties are very, very loose. That's what I want, because this flax in the center may not get dry. So today I'm just checking it and it seems dry. And I wanted to show you, and I know some people were concerned maybe I pulled it too soon, but when I did the little snap test, so this is very brittle. This is very brittle, so I do it one-handed. If I snap, it should go snap. And then I look at the fibers on the inside. Can you see those fibers right there? If I get that boon off, there you go. These fibers, that is flax. That's what I'm looking for. That's how I knew to pull it when I did. So this is dry. I'm just going to dry it out maybe just a couple of more days. Maybe I'm just going to just turn it over. I had the roots down because I want it then to kind of drain into the roots, because the flax we use from the roots all the way to the tippy top. That's what we do. These are labeled. Look at that. It's just really, really brittle. And that's exactly what I need for the next stage, which would be to break this. See all that excess stuff on the outside? That's boon. I've heard it called chaff. I heard it called a couple of different names. And there we go. Look at that beautiful flax on the inside. Yeah, so somebody asked me just to do a little follow-up how I dry it out. You can stand it up. You can stand this up, definitely. They would have stood this up in the fields, but mine's kind of a speed process, you know, and I don't have as much. So they would all need to go against each other and stand up. And I've done it where I've stood it up even in my patio against a wall. Just let it just dry out, just natural. This is under protected space right here, so it didn't get any wet, any rain. That would help you speed up if you could bring it into a place that could be dry. Yeah, so this is looking good. I'm gonna have to borrow this wheelbarrow for some other yard work. I just wanted to check this today. Again, this is just the next stage. This is ready to be stored. In theory, I could store this. Remember, I don't have any pods. I don't have anything like edible for little mice, the seeds. I don't have, but I could take this now and I could store it for months if I wanted to. It's just at an intermediate stage. I can just store it. I've written on there, and I'm going to write on there that it's been retted so that I know what stage it is. And then maybe when it gets a little cooler, maybe on a breezy day, that helps me because it blows away some of the dust and chaff. This is a really kind of a dirty project, but it's so enjoyable to see what I get out from the soil. I cannot grow anything. Don't ask me to grow any vegetables, anything you could really eat. Just don't ask me to do that. But I seem to be okay being able to grow and successfully grow and harvest this weed that we call flax. So I will catch you next time on Spinning the Past.